Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. Today for tea time I have prepared Kalathappam at home, which is a traditional snack item of Kerala and is very unique too. To prepare this tasty delicacy, I have taken 1 cup of white rice, the cup being 240 ml. The rice is washed well at least 3 times and then soaked in drinking water for at least 3 hours. After around 3 hours, the soaked rice is ground into a fine paste by adding a pinch of cumin seeds, 3 to 4 elaichi or cardamom pods, half a tablespoon of cooked boiled rice, and also 1 cup of water. 1 cup of jaggery is then melted by adding 3 by 4 cup of water. At the same time, 2 handfuls of thin coconut pieces are sauteed, after which thinly sliced shallots are also sauteed until brown. It will take around 6 to 8 minutes, and so the melted jaggery is kept on low flame on the other side. The jaggery should be hot throughout the process of making this appam. The sauteed coconut pieces and onions are taken off, and then the ground rice mix is added with the hot jaggery syrup, taking care to keep on stirring so that the rice mix does not get clumps in it. We should not switch on the gas flame during this time. One teaspoon of baking soda is also added into this. This mix is then transferred to a thick base pan, and the sauteed coconut and onion pieces are added to the mix. And this is cooked on high flame for 30 seconds and then on lowest flame for 15 minutes. The lid should have a small vent for the steam to pass through, or else all the steam goes on to the appam. After 15 minutes, a skewer is inserted into the appam and checked whether it's done. As the skewer came out clean, the lid is kept back on the pot and the appam is allowed to rest for a while. After some 10 minutes, I tried to take out the kalathappam, and yes, it was easily liftable from the pot except that it was steaming hot. On cutting a small slice, you can see air pockets in the appam, which is the indication of a perfect kalathappam. So here goes the age-old traditional snack of Kerala. Hope you enjoyed this video. Let me know your comments about this video, and I will meet you in another video. Thank you. Take care. Bye-bye.